Peter Vossler here, training manager for LG Home Appliances in the US, and I am excited to talk to you about what's happening with ThinkU. I know you already love the ThinkU app, and you're using features like ThinkU Up to evolve your appliances and ThinkU Care to be predictive about the maintenance that's needed.
Hey, it's Kristen. Welcome to KBIS 2025. We are in the zero inefficiency zone where you can get more done in less time while being a little better to the environment and your pocketbook. Behind me here, I have my new signature laundry. These are going to be some of the largest washer dryer pairs on the market.
So right next to me, you're gonna see the first and a market first induction double oven. Now this is really amazing because not only are you getting the precision and the safest cooking method, but you're getting a true dedicated double oven.
And today we're gonna talk about zero clearance. And this whole section is gonna talk about some great new trends that are out there, but I've gotta start with our new zero clearance refrigerator. So what we're finding in design trends is people are looking for a more built-in look, a clean look. Sometimes you have to deal with walls.
Really excited to talk about the new dishwasher. This is the SDN THS72E. This is the second generation of the Essence White dishwasher, and there's some really amazing upgrades. First and foremost, it has auto open dry on it, so that's new for 2025.
Well, welcome to the International Builder Show. We have a lot of great things to talk about, starting with our smart home for smart builders. Imagine being a builder and monitoring all of your properties at once.